Okay, I'm starting the install of my JW speaker turn signals. There they are. I got the clear ones, and of course they blink amber, but the lens on it is clear. And I took the old light out. Now I have to pop that off. And I guess I'm just supposed to depress the two tabs in there to pull out the old light. And this is what it looks like now with the old turn signals in. And let's see how long it takes me to get the new ones in. Okay, it's out. And to make this easier, I put on my stupid headlamp so I could see. But it's not pushing these in. You have to depress this little tab. And I used a flat blade screwdriver to do that, and then it just popped right out. Okay, and then to get your bulb out, you just depress this right here. After you push this up, you depress this, and then the bulb slides right out. And there it is. Okay, I got the one turn signal out. I've got an empty spot there. Now I'm going to put the new one in. It takes a 10mm socket for the little, I don't know what you call it, for this guy that I'm going to use to secure the new one in with. So that's a 10mm socket. They are marked left hand and right hand on each side. They're universal. So this is the left hand one. So it goes this way, I believe. Yep. So that'll go on this side, and then the other one is just marked, there goes the right hand on the other side, and I will use that one on the passenger side. So here we go. Okay, and as you can see, that little bracket, maybe you can't see it, connects, there's two slots way up in there. Let me see if I can move this. Oh. There, you can see how that little bracket, there's two slots that holds it in. And it's just hand tightened right now, right there. And then that's in position. I don't think I have it totally, I'm gonna go get a level to make sure my lines on here are level. Okay, it works. Yay! All right, that one's done. I just have to finish securing the wiring by snapping that red this thing back, and I don't know, tuck it in there somewhere. Okay, I just tucked that. It kind of fits nicely just behind the inner fender there. Just tuck it in there. I don't think it's going to come out. I don't think I have to zip tie it anywhere, but if I do, I will. So yay, one down, one to go. This side was much harder. The wire loom here is just super short, so I actually had to disconnect the bulb first, then I could pull the bulb out. Then I could get this out. So luckily the new light fixture has a little more wire room, a little longer wire loom, so I can get this one in here. Okay, we are done. Yay! Another little I don't know what to say. I'm tired. I did it myself. That's what I'm meaning to say. So I'm always happy about that when I can do some things myself. I do leave some things for the professionals, but I'm happy to have these, and let's take an after picture to see the difference between the two. All right, and there they are. I think they look much better. So things I would recommend are get a level so you can make sure your thingies there are straight up and down and not cockeyed. And a 10mm wrench is what it takes to tighten the nut in the back. There are slots for the fastener back there to fit into. You can see that one right there. So it's a pretty easy install as far as that goes. And then I just tucked it back up in there. There's no need to zip tie it to anything. That one was a little harder because the wire loom was shorter, but I was able to do it. And I'm very happy. I always love things that are the same. I don't want like KC this and JW speaker that. So all JW speaker headlights, taillights, fog lights, and now turn signals. And here is my lovely S-Pod. So there's that. And I do plan on adding auxiliary lighting, and I may Full Metal Fabworks that made my bumper and my inner fender liners makes a bracket that goes behind the fair lead, and it sits right here for a 10-inch light bar. And KC Highlights makes a nice 10-inch light bar. Otherwise, I might do 2 round headlights and get the brackets that go on the bull bar and put them there. I haven't decided yet. I've been watching, 5,000 videos to see what I want. Anyways, that is the install of my JW speaker turn signals. Happy with them. Got them at Northridge 4x4. They honestly have the best price on everything JW speaker. Nobody's been able to even come close to their pricing. So I just waited till they had them. They were out of stock for a while, and as soon as they had them, I snapped them up. We're still getting snow today. I am just over the snow. We cleaned a little bit of the driveway out. It's been, February and March has been unbelievable for the amount of snow we've gotten. We have a snowblower that is supposed to be here tomorrow. It was in Utah last I looked. I'm over shoveling, so we are getting a snowblower. Because I've been shoveling goat paths, dog paths, chicken paths, everything. So anyways, but enough about that. Very happy with how this turned out.